Welcome back. In today's video, you will learn how to add and use lists in HTML. Let's get busy. Lists are everywhere around us. When you go shopping, you have a list of items you want to buy. When you are assembling something, you have a list of instructions that you're following. So HTML has you covered on list by giving you three types: unordered, ordered, and description list. I will cover the first two in this video and the description list in later video. Okay, let's start with an ordered list. You will use this type to mark up list of items where order doesn't matter. For example, when you go shopping, there is no order of which items to buy first. You can start with the last one, the first one, the middle one, and so on. To show an ordered list in HTML, you start with open and closing UL tags. Then inside, each list item start with open and closing LI tags. Here is a basic example of things that you need in order to start learning HTML. Access to a computer, text editor that can write plain text, web browser, internet connection. Now, let's move to CodePen and mark up these items as an ordered list. You start by adding open and closing UL tags. Then you add open and closing LI tags for each item. As you can see, by default, it is marked with bullet. And this is how we write an ordered list using HTML. Now, let's look at order list. With order list, order matter and you have to start from the beginning. Let's take the same example of things we need to start learning HTML and put them in order. Number one will be access to a computer, internet connection, web browser, text editor that can write plain text. Let's switch to CodePen and mark up our items as ordered list. Let's add open and closing LI tags on each item. Let's change the list type from UL to OL for order list. You can see that the only thing that have changed is the UL to OL. All right, and there you have it, order and unordered list. Now that you understand HTML list, moving forward, you'll see where lists are used in the web. Also, remember this video is part of the series, so check them out.